Good morning and welcome to the channel again. For those of you around here that are new, my name's Jay, and for those of you that subscribe already and know a little bit about me, you'll already know that I've just recently sold up my MOT/vehicle repair station, centre, whatever you want to call it. Just sold up. Been doing YouTube for about a year now, on and off, on things that I like, mostly golfing, and now moving into the van life sort of stage of my life, really, if you want to call that. Been into it for a while really, but I've just recently bought a van. Anyway, enough of that. That's a little bit about me. Today I'm just going to show you how to replace a set of front brake pads. Now it's similar on most vehicles. The processes are virtually the same, but I just want to show everyone out there what their money goes to when they're paying for a set of front brake pads to be replaced. Today I'm doing it on a Transit Connect, and I'm just going to get in there, show you what we're doing, and then I'll show you it stage by stage. Anyway, if you like the video and this helps out, just hit that subscribe button for me please, and I appreciate it. It will help me in the long run. Anyway, let's get on about it. Okay, so first thing we've got to do, get the wheel off. Let's get the wheel off. Luckily enough, I'm one of the guns, which is dead. You know, which is probably dead. Ain't used it in a while. Let's start again. Let's charge it. Right, so guns on charge. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, so wheel off. Nice little seat to sit on. Just show you, I'm going to be changing these bad boys. As you can see, there's no meat on them whatsoever. Right. First off, we've got to remove this spring clip. So that just pulls out with a screwdriver or something, lever bar, whichever you want to use. And just back here, I can show you, it's a little bit awkward. In this cap here, there's one at the top and one at the bottom. Little 7mm Allen key should be in there. And we'll undo that. This whole caliper then lifts up. Pads will slide out. Clean the caliper up, grease it, and then put it all back together. But let me show you it in stages. One spring clip off. Like I say, just prise it out with a screwdriver. 7mm in the back there, I believe. 7mm on the back. 7mm Allen key, that is. 7mm Allen key in the back. Some pads you can just free off the bottom. These look like them set of pads, really. Probably free off the bottom, and it'll prise up. Unfortunately for this customer, he has run the pads really low, so pressing the pistons back will be harder than normal, but no issues. So it's good to try and see if we can press the piston back while it's still on the motor. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. One of these what it is really. A lot easier, just levering like that, rather than with your with anything else. I'm gonna have to leave that back anyway. Right, let's then fully leave it back. Do the top bolt. Just like to show you the caliper being off and everything. It's a little bit easy to shine as well. Right, here we go, one caliper completely off. This is the piston. I was on about pushing back, you've got to push this all the way back home, so it's nice and flush for when the new pads go back in. You can see the new pads, the old pads there, how worn they are. I'll get one off and show you against a new pad anyway. Yeah, we just need to take the pads out, clean them up, put them back together. We should have jobs are good un. Caliper down the back. That's one pad. How thin that is. This is a new pad. That's the worn pad. See the difference in thickness? Remember, we have to grease these. Grease the little edges here. Looks like, yeah, grease the little edges on all this, and we fit them. One goes into the caliper, it squashes in. Make sure that's pushed all the way home, that caliper. Seems it. That one presses into the caliper. Don't forget to grease the pads up on them little bits I told you. That will do. A little bit of grease on the edges. That's all you need, all the way around. Slot them in. and then putting back on is just simply the reversal. So do up these bolts, make sure they're going in properly. Always start both bolts first, because there could be an issue anywhere. Although in this case it doesn't seem like there is. Thankful. Do both of these up. There's a little bit of a lip on the disc, not much though. I think the customer managed to catch it just before it got too bad. Now most companies will actually rip you off a set of discs as well, but I reckon next time you need pads to get the discs done as well at the same time. Then this time you got away with it. Don't forget to put the caps back over the 7mm Allen key bolts. Probably the most important thing is, once you put a new set of pads on, remember to press the brake pedal a couple of times. Otherwise, pull away, press the brake pedal, and there'll be no movement left. You'll just carry on and plough into whatever's in front of you. Press the brake pedal after changing pads. Right, so all we've got to do now is put the wheel back on, easy process, and get onto the other side. Let's do that, and we'll move on to the other side. There we have it, one wheel, one set of brake pads, job done, one side. Driver side, which is the off side, all done. Let's move around to the passenger side, get that side done. Okay, so here we are. Same again this side. This spring just prizes out. I'll show you that in a second. We undo the behind these caps. We undo the two 7mm, that one there, and there's also one down here. I can't show you that. Camera's a bit long. But anyway, one at the bottom, exactly the same as that. Looks exactly the same. Just wind it out, and then we take the caliper off. So I'll show you that. Just literally put a screwdriver in, get a little bit of movement on it. I watch people do this and I think that looks easy doing it one-handed. It's not, and then that spring comes out. We undo the 7mm, 7mm Allen keys, undo them again. Some calipers do come with a nut on this side that you need to hold with a spanner, but these ones are quite straightforward really. Sort of a bit cack-handed really, but so much easier when you've got a ramp. Been a long time since I've worked on the floor outside my house. I've done that for about 7, 8, maybe 9 years now. Probably longer, Jesus. But obviously helping people out as much as I can. And there we go, there we have it. Again, see if you can move the caliper. There we go. There we go, this side's exactly the same. No pad left whatsoever. A quick clean up and new pads in. And there we go. Just easy as that. We're just bolting the caliper back up. We're going to push the spring clip back in. And there we go, one set of front pads done. A lot of people struggle with these spring clips. But seriously, it's just a case of pushing it in, pushing it around the front of the caliper, pushing it on the front. Don't forget the caps to put on. A lot of people don't put them back on either. Just protects water from going in. And there we have it. One near side set of pads done. We just put the wheel back on, we dispose of the pads, and jobs are good. Now, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, comment, do the usual, do everything you need to do, and it'll help me out in the long run. And wait for more videos. I'm doing the occasional job for people now and then, and because at the moment I'm just doing MOTs 3 days a week, and yeah, trying to enjoy life a little bit more. But anyway, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and watch for more videos on repairing vehicles. I'll bang some out once a week if I can. Right, that's enough from me, and I'll catch you on the next video, which goes out every Sunday at 9 AM. I'll try and do one of these work videos every Wednesday, something like that. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for the new Wednesday night videos. Right, we'll catch you on the greasy side. Laters.